In a cozy little garden, where the sunbeams danced on dewdrops, lived a cheerful teddy bear named Bobo. One bright morning, he woke up with a big stretch and a happy smile. But as he looked down at his tummy, his smile faded. "Oh dear," he gasped, his little clay voice full of surprise. "My button is gone!" His favorite, shiny blue belly button was missing. Panic set in. Bobo searched everywhere. He peeked under a large green leaf, his tiny paws patting the damp soil. He scurried inside his small clay house, looking under his bed and in his teapot. But the button was nowhere to be found. Feeling a little sad, Bobo decided he needed help. He wandered through the garden until he saw his friend, Lulu the Ladybug, busy rolling a tiny clay pebble. "Lulu, have you seen my blue button?" Bobo asked, his voice wobbly. Lulu stopped and shook her little head. "No, I haven't, Bobo," she chirped kindly. "But don't worry, let's ask Birdie. He sees everything from up high." Just then, with a gentle flutter of clay wings, Birdie landed beside them. "Did someone say my name?" he tweeted. Bobo explained his predicament. Birdie tapped his beak thoughtfully. "A shiny blue thing. I think I saw something sparkling down by the pond." Hope filled Bobo's heart. "The pond! Let's go!" he exclaimed. Together, Bobo and Lulu hurried towards the shimmering pond, their little feet making soft prints in the clay path. The water glistened under the sun, and colorful clay fish swam lazily. As they got closer, a friendly green frog hopped out from behind a lily pad. And what was that in his hands? It was Bobo's blue button, gleaming like a precious treasure. "Oh, hello!" the frog croaked with a wide grin. "I found this shiny thing. I thought it was a special pebble from my collection. Is it yours?" Bobo's face lit up with joy. "Yes, that's my button. Thank you," he cheered. The frog handed it over, and Bobo hugged his friends, Lulu and the kind frog, with all his might. With his button safely returned, Bobo carefully placed it back on his belly. It felt just right. He did a happy little twirl, and his friends clapped their tiny hands and wings. The garden suddenly felt even brighter. Soon they were all dancing together among the colorful flowers and butterflies, a joyful celebration of friendship and a found treasure. Sometimes we lose little things, and it can make us feel sad or worried. But what really matters is that with good friends by our side, we can overcome any challenge and always find happiness and joy again. Thanks for watching our little story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures with Bobo and his friends.